Well, this is the third hotel in Cache Creek. Yeah, and we're in Vacaville. Yeah, here it is. The chair. I got flat screen, no. Yeah, this is the hotel though. There's a bed. Boy! And what's the drawer? The remote to TV. Light. How you turn the light? Well, we'll figure it out later. And then the bed, chairs, and the light. Here's the freaking mirror. And here's the, oh, look at that door. Close and slide closed. Here's the shower.
This isn't a lock, so you can't.
And here's the bathtub. The other one was bigger though, but here's this one though. Here's the sink, only one sink though. Private toilet, you know. Looks like that other one. Good. Yeah. Yeah, this is our third hotel in Cache Creek. Oh, okay, bye.